everyone, welcome back to Shauna's Cooktorials. Today's video is just going to be my macaroni and cheese. These are no bake, just stove top, homemade, mac and cheese. I'm showing you all of the ingredients that I use. Honestly, I prefer my mac and cheese on top of the stove. I do not like baked macaroni and cheese. Never have, and I don't think I ever will. So for those that are in the same group as me on that, you may enjoy this recipe. Now you can bake it if you want and put the extra gooey ooey cheese that turns dark brown on top. That's the least favorite part for me. I do not like brown cheese or caramelized cheese at all. It's just not it's a palate preference texture thing with me, so I don't like it. But you're more than welcome to bake it, put the breadcrumbs on top, or do whatever. But this is just my recipe that I'm going to share. If you like it, thumbs up. If you try it out, just let me know and enjoy the video. And also subscribe to see more because I have a lot more coming on my channel. Thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.